Welcome back to Mr. Speller's Math Tutorials. Today we're tasked to find the properties of a rectangle. Please stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. Here we have a rectangle. One of the properties is that each one of the angles are right angles. So we know here each one of these are 90 degrees. We also know that opposite sides are congruent. So let's put single tally marks here. We'll put double tally marks here to show that those are congruent. We also know that the opposite sides are parallel. So let's put a single arrow here and let's put double arrows here. All right, we have congruence, not congruence, we have diagonals. So let's place a diagonal here. And let's place a diagonal here. All right, the diagonals are congruent and the diagonals are bisectors. So that means that each one of these diagonals has the same measure. Actually, we need to put 3 tallies on here because we don't want to confuse it with the length of the sides here at the top and bottom. So 3 tallies on each one. All right, we also know that the opposite angles, or I'm sorry, not opposite angles, the alternate interior angles are congruent. So this angle here is congruent to that angle. Let's put double tally marks here to show that this angle is congruent here. Notice that we have a triangle or a series of triangles, but let's look at this triangle here. With this triangle, if these 2 sides or these 2 legs are congruent, then that means these opposite angles here also have to be congruent. So if I have this angle measurement here, I know that the measurement of the angle here has to match that because of the sides being the same length. So again, we're back to alternate interior. So if I have this angle here, I know that it's congruent to this angle here. And then I have a similar relationship with this triangle here. If opposite this side has an angle with the measurement here where I'm showing the double angle indicators, then opposite this side here also should have the double. And again, I have a situation where I have the alternate interior. So that means that this angle here is congruent to the angle over here. And last thing, the consecutive angles are supplementary. So here, this is a 90-degree angle plus this 90-degree angle is 180, and that continues as we go around the rectangle. All right, well, that sums up this tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please like it, please comment, and as always, thank you for watching.